So a few things you're gonna need to get this recipe started is some of your favorite coconut rum, some blue Curaçao, some pineapple juice, a fresh lime, and a pineapple slice to garnish your drink once you're done. So first thing you're gonna do is go ahead, grab your shaker, make sure you get some ice in there so that your drink's nice and cold when you go ahead and pour it out. So to begin, you're gonna go ahead and put some Curaçao in. You're only gonna wanna put in about half an ounce. Curaçao is very strong, it's very sugary, so you wanna be careful you're not putting in too much, just enough to give you that little flavor and a little bit of pop of color. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop this into my mixer. And rum, you are going to go ahead and put in an ounce of rum. Next, you're gonna go ahead and grab your pineapple juice, put in 2 ounces. You can put a little bit more if you'd like. I'm gonna grab my cup, make sure it has ice in it, get a little bit of fresh lime, make sure you put a little squeeze. It always tastes better when it's fresh. Go ahead, top it off, and then we're gonna shake this mixture. Next, we're gonna go ahead and open this up. If you don't have a mixer at home, you can just go ahead and utilize 2 cups that are in varying sizes that achieve the same effect. Next, I'm gonna get my strainer, and I'm going to pour this out into my cup. Grab a little bit of ice to top it off. And then we're gonna grab our pineapple slice, run it around the rim just to get a little bit of that alcohol flavor out. I'm not one that personally enjoys it. And then you put it on the edge of your cup. There's your mocktail, or cocktail. Emily, would you like to try it?
Oh, you know I'm running over here. That's one of the benefits of creating a Keatless Curling Headband brand is now you get cocktails made Nefty. It is so good.
Really? I'm glad to hear that.
Oh my god. And the coconut rum, you used coconut rum. It tastes so good with it. It tastes like summer.
I'm going to go ahead and try it too, make sure it's not bad.
So good.
That is good if I do say so myself. Well, I hope you guys enjoy.